Hello everyone! Welcome to the Clarity Feature Supportability Training for Release 16.4.3. My name is Catherine Ellis and I'm a Clarity Product Manager. Today I'm excited to share the details of our new feature, which introduces the ability to create new channels for the Staffing Workspace. Let's begin by discussing what's new. Clarity administrators now have the ability to add custom channels, which act as a new module tab, directly into the Staffing Workspace Blueprint. During this setup, admins can define specific customizable parameters, such as the channel name and URL. Furthermore, we've included language-specific customization, meaning that these channel names can be configured to display in different languages depending on the individual user's personal settings. Finally, administrators can apply secure access controls to these modules. This allows you to either leave a channel open for all users to see or restrict its visibility entirely to designated system groups. Now let's move on to why this is important. First, this marks a major evolution for Clarity, transitioning it from a simple system of record into an active system of productivity. By allowing you to embed external third-party tools directly into the Staffing Workspace, we are bringing critical functional gaps between those external systems and our modern user experience. This centralization of the external data creates a truly unified experience. It streamlines workflows, boosts operational efficiency, and significantly improves platform adoption because users no longer need to leave Clarity to find the answers they need. Lastly, the Secure Access feature protects our sensitive systems. It empowers administrators to safely embed confidential third-party tools, like a vendor management system, while ensuring that unauthorized personnel never even know the tab exists. In our demonstration, we're going to walk through the workflow for the new Staffing Workspace Channels feature, looking specifically at how it impacts our end users and how our administrators configure it behind the scenes. The demo begins by looking at the end user experience. I'll demonstrate various users that have access to all the modules and other users that do not have access to some of the sensitive external tools. This ensures that contextual data is available to those who need it without compromising the security of restricted information. Then the demonstration transitions to the administrative setup. The Clarity Administrator enables this experience through the Staffing Workspace Blueprint. During this setup, new channels are added with specific channel module names. A key capability here is the language-specific customization. Admins can temporarily adjust their personal language settings to translate and configure the channel names for our global teams. Finally, the administrator configures the secure access controls. They can choose to leave a channel open for all users or lock it down strictly to the designated system groups. Once the setup is complete, the admin simply publishes the blueprint, instantly updating the workspace for the targeted end users. By connecting this straightforward admin setup with a tailored end-user experience, we ensure our teams have everything they need in one centralized workspace. For the end-user experience, let's first log in as the administrator. We will see all the tabs configured for the Staffing Workspace. Ian is using English for his language. He sees both the Allocations and Assignments modules, the Investments module, the Staff Grid, and the 5 new channel modules added into this workspace. Let's impersonate Dana Lewis. Her current language is set to French. She has a similar access compared to Ian, but does not have access to the assignment modules. But she does see all 5 new channel modules. She can see the new module names are displayed in French, as per the blueprint configuration by Ian. Let's impersonate Patrick. He has access to the Staffing Workspace and has restricted access to only 2 of the new modules. Finally, let's look at Ray. He has restricted access to 3 of the new channels. Now that you can see different users have access to only the modules they need to perform their work, let's see how the blueprint has been configured by the administrator. The Staffing Workspace utilizes only one blueprint that is designated as the default blueprint. While in edit mode, on the left is a button to add new channels. Up to 15 new channels can be added. To delete a channel, the module must be shown on the right side of the page. When the channel properties are shown, there is a button to delete the channel. Simply moving the module to the left does not delete it. It remains in the blueprint and adds to the total number of channels added into the blueprint. The administrator has selected one group for secure access on this transcript module. More system groups can be added to the configuration if needed. The system groups are created and maintained in Classic through administration groups. Our administrator has already set up language translations for this blueprint in Spanish and French. Let's create some translations from English to German. Once all the updates are complete and published, Ian can quickly check the language translations while still using the German language setting. Thank you for your attention. This centralization of external data creates a truly unified experience within the Staffing Workspace. Clarity 16.4.3 release notes and documentation can be found on the Broadcom Tech Docs website. Visit the Broadcom Educate YouTube channel for more feature supportability training videos.